of us dream to live in big cities. But with the current issues surrounding urban living, this can be difficult and scary. For a worry-free urban lifestyle, a healthy body is a must. And one brand has provided healthy immunity for Filipinos for the past 12 years. To tell us more about this vitamin supplement, we have integrative medicine practitioner, Dr. Ferdinand Soledad. Doc Ferds, thank you so much for meeting me here today.
Welcome to the facility, Kelly.
Now, what makes EXCEL C different from all the other vitamin C supplements in the market today?
Well, we have a lot of vitamin C in the market. We have two kinds actually, ascorbic acid and sodium ascorbate. What we have here is sodium ascorbate. And what sets us apart definitely is that we are alkaline. So anybody can take the product, even if you didn't take in something.
On an empty stomach, you can take it?
Yeah, empty stomach.
Oh, wow.
Aside from, you can take this from empty stomach, okay? You can actually take the product and have a longer effect on you. Normally, when you take ascorbic acid, it will only last for 2 to 4 hours. When you pee, it's gone. With sodium ascorbate, you can take this and the effect will be longer. It might extend from 8 hours to 12 hours.
That means longer protection as you take it.
Yeah, that's why we recommend the product to be taken for at least twice a day. One in the morning before breakfast and bedtime probably, so that you will be protected the whole 24 hours. And one good thing with EXCEL C, the sodium ascorbate that we have, our stores is one of the reputable company from Europe.
After hearing the wonderful benefits of sodium ascorbate, I am now so excited to meet the makers of this powerful vitamin C supplement. Showing us around this facility is Pharma General Manager Rosala Camwa.
Welcome, Kelly. We're happy that you're here with us.
Now, EXCEL C has been around for 12 years now. How does the company ensure that the quality control and the safety is up to par?
Our manufacturing firm has been in the business for 42 years. Now, to ensure the quality of the product, we do all the testings required. The finished goods go through a complete test as well. A stringent process from the beginning till the end, and all are properly tested by our very competent people. Our pharmacists and chemists ensure that all of the standards are met.
Can you show me some of the tests that EXCEL C undergoes?
So, here we go. Yeah, so Ms. Kelly, I'd like to show you the dissolution tester. So basically, this machine can test if the product will dissolve rapidly in your body. So if it rapidly dissolves, it means that it's properly absorbed, so you can get the nutrition right away.
So this is supposed to simulate the stomach of a human. Okay.
Yes.
So what test is this one?
So here you can see the pH meter. So we would like to show that the EXCEL C sodium ascorbate is non-acidic. So with this test, we'll be able to show it. Yes. And we have dissolved the EXCEL C capsule, and the result is over here. It's 7.75. So it means it's non-acidic.
And lastly, Ella showed us how they make sure that each capsule has the same potency and effectivity once it is consumed by its consumers. All these tests just to ensure customer satisfaction. This has been EXCEL C's secret formula for the past 12 years. It is no wonder why many regular buyers are recommending EXCEL C to its growing number of users.
Well, basically, it was recommended by Pharma, which is I'm a regular customer. And since I was looking for a vitamin C that is not acidic, since me and my family are not a breakfast eater, so I could even take it at 1,000 milligrams, so it doesn't have any acidic effect with us. I really recommend EXCEL C to be used as a vitamin C supplement.
EXCEL C has been proven very effective, tested by our customers. So I should say it's a very good brand. It has been steadily giving us good revenues, and at the same time, we're happy because we're helping our customers and people to have a good health and have some good resistance to diseases and everything, yeah. Well, as long as Big Pharma is there, I guess EXCEL C will always be there with us.
Filipinos can now be assured of a healthier lifestyle for the next generations to come. Feel better, live longer, excel in life with EXCEL C.